Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about the introductory course to networking, that is CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rohit Dhawde, and I have a CCI in routing and switching, and I also have deep knowledge of the service provider technologies. And right now I'm serving in the Nokia Solutions and Networks as a central in the central team as an IP planning engineer. Moving ahead to what towards the course and how we will be doing it. So, as a part of course, you will have access to the online videos. Apart from online videos, you can ask us questions on the offline forum on the Synechis Aquilam website. Let me show you the website. So this is the discussions page on the Synechis Aquilam website where you can ask questions and corresponding trainers can answer those. Okay, and so the approach that we will be taking in the part of learning would be, first we will get clear the technical foundation, the theoretical part. Next we will go to the labs and perform the configuration on the labs. After doing the configuration, we have to verify whether the configuration is working or it's not working. So we'll learn about the verification part. And finally, if something is broken, something is not working, we have to learn troubleshooting as well. And resources, so we have official Cisco technical books, which you can refer as study guides for CCNA. And of course, official Cisco documentations are also present. So the command references and the configuration guides. So these documents you'll find on the cisco.com page. The support, if you go to the networking software. For example, in this case, let me select, say, iOS XR, for example. These are the command references, and if I go down, I'll see the configuration guides here. So here we have the configuration guides as per the technology, maybe BGP, OSPF, EIGRP, whatever it may be. So we will use these during our course. Finally, the syllabus. Let me walk through the syllabus. So the first section will be network fundamentals, where we will learn the networking models and the topology types. And the second chapter will be LAN switching technologies, which will brief you about the layer 2 technologies of the networking domain. Next, we will go to routing technologies, that is when we have to communicate between two layer 2 segments. We have to cross the layer 2 boundary, and that's where the routing technologies come into picture. So we will learn the overview, or you can say the high level understanding of the routing technologies. In CCNP, we'll learn detail about the routing technologies. Next would be WAN technologies, that is to connect two different maybe organizations through a point-to-point link, or through what topological designs we can give, so that is point-to-point, hub spoke, full mesh, etc. And then we have infrastructure services, that is DNS, DHCP, etc. So DNS is the name lookup that we usually do when we browse the internet. So we will understand that technology in the backend. How does it happen? And DHCP is used for dynamic address allocation. We will learn that as well. Infrastructure security. So this is for providing some additional security to our devices, our networking switches and routers. So those security habits we will learn in this chapter. Lastly, we will have infrastructure management, that will include the device maintenance and the management tasks. So this is all about the syllabus that we'll be having, we'll be discussing in the course. So yes, we are following the 200-125 blueprint, the official Cisco blueprint. Okay, and next, career in networking. So once you do CCNA, you get a job, you start working, then ahead you have many options to explore. So the two major variety of domains in the networking are the enterprise and the service provider. So the enterprise domain is a company's internal network, and maybe a company has 100 offices across India, and connecting those 100 offices together. So that would form an enterprise domain. Secondly, would be the service provider domain, maybe an internal service provider, just like Vodafone, Idea, AT&T, Sprint, etc. So those are the service provider domains. So both domains have huge scope and huge technologies to learn. So let's begin with the CCNA.